Hello, we're here to talk through the maintenance and storage of your TECMEN respirator unit. For best long-term performance, it's really important that these are correctly cleaned and stored. At the end of each day, respirator components should be cleaned and inspected, ready for their next use. Use a soft cloth to wipe down the welding helmet and the auto-darkening filter. When it comes to the blower unit and the battery pack, use a soft cloth dampened with water and detergent to wipe down the outer surfaces. Be careful not to get water on any of the inside components. For the breathing tube, check the outer cover for any damage and replace it if necessary. Clean the hose and the connection using a soft cloth and water and detergent, and the hose will need to be completely dry before use. For the filters, open the filter cover and inspect each one. The spark screen can be cleaned using detergent and water. This will need to be completely dry before reassembling. The filters or the spark screen will need replacing if they are particularly dirty, wet or damaged. Your TECMEN PAPR system should be stored in a clean and dry place, avoiding very hot or cold temperatures. For best battery life, disconnect the battery from the charger after it's fully charged. If it's going to be stored for a long time, the battery should be removed from the blower unit. For quick and easy storage, your TECMEN headgear and respirator can be packed into the Euromarc trade backpack. Thanks for watching, and if you've got any questions, please give us a shout.